Hello everyone, welcome to Automobile Engineering class. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain mechanical brakes. The brakes which are operated mechanically by means of levers, linkages, pedal, cams, bell cranks, etc. are known as mechanical brakes. The mechanical brakes nowadays have a limited use as service brakes. However, these are still used on rear wheels in many cars as parking or emergency brake. These mechanical brakes are classified into four types. In this first one is band brakes, second one drum brakes, third one disc brakes, last one cone brakes. Band brakes, it is the simplest brake configuration, have a metal band lined with heat and wear resistant frictional material. Second one, drum brakes, which are commonly used on automobile rear wheels, work when shoes press against a spinning surface called a drum. Third one is disc brakes. These are constructed of brake pads, caliper, and a rotor. During operation, the brake pads are squeezed against the rotor. The last one is cone brakes. These are made with a cup and a cone, which is lined with heat and wear resistant material. During actuation, the cone is pressed against the mating cup surface. Uh, this is the layout of operation of mechanical brakes as service brakes. See here, this is the uh, internal expanding drum, brake. See here, this is the brake pedal. These four lines indicates brake cables or brake rods. This is the parking brake lever. This is the parking brake cable. This is the central rod. These four cables are connected to the this central rod. This brake pedal is attached to the central rod, and on this rod the are four levers are fixed. These levers are connected to the brake mechanism of all the brake wheels with the help of adjustable rods and flexible cables. When the brake pedal is pressed down, it pulls the center rod to the left. This causes all the levers, that means these brake cables, all the levers to move, thereby pulling the respective brake cables, that means brake rods. When the brake cable is pulled, it actuates the cam inside the brake. See here, the cam is like the cam is like see here, the cam is in the shape of this like when the brake is pulled, it actuates the cam inside the brake drum, over which the free ends of brake shoe are resting. The operating cam expands. The cam is like in this shape. In this case, the cam is expand the brake shoes outward against the inner surface of the brake drum, causing is to stop its motion. When the brake pedal is released, the cam is operated in the opposite direction. That means this like, and the return spring, that means the retracting spring brings back the brake shoe, thus releasing the brakes. The mechanical brakes are used as parking brake on brakes. The parking brake is generally applied through a hand operated lever placed to the left of the driver. The, the parking brake is applied by pulling the parking brake lever. This is the brief discussion about mechanical brakes. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.